lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we finally got our Ipsy Ultimate. This is for the month of September. This is the big boy. This is $50 a month. I know. So if you want to see if it's worth the $50 a month and what my thoughts are of the Ipsy Ultimate, then just keep on watching. Really quickly, I want to come on here and remind you guys that I have a couple giveaways going on. I have a BoxyCharm giveaway going on right now, and I also have a money giveaway going on right now that is over in a few days. So I will leave everything down below. Alrighty, so if you don't know about Ipsy Ultimate or about Ipsy, let me tell you a little bit about it. So Ipsy has 3 different subscriptions. They have the regular GLAM bag, which is $12 a month, and I do an Ipsy versus Ipsy. I will leave that down below if you want to check that out. They also have an upgrade, which is the Ipsy Plus, and that is $25 a month. I also already did that video. I will leave it down below. And then the big boy, the Ipsy Ultimate, which is... I don't even want to say it. $50 a month. I know. It's expensive. And to me, it has its hits and misses. When I first started, I wasn't too impressed. But it's getting a little bit better. So I am definitely excited to open her up and see what is in here. So let's open her up. All right. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. A little sneak peek. Not too much. Like to tease you a little bit. All right, let's see what the card is. Okay, so for the month of September, the theme is good vibes, and I think it is because it's nice and thick. And it does. I'm so happy that they are doing that again. Because when you make videos, it's like you got to go in your app, get out, go back, and it's just a pain in the butt. All right, so let's just get started. Alright, the first thing that I see on here, this was my choice item. This is a pre-makeup base from Huda Beauty. So it's a primer. And I've never tried their primers. And let's see how much you be. Alright, so full size. This is full size and it's $35. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Okay. Not too bad. And you get, it seems like it's pretty well filled. So that's good. Let me know if you tried this and what you think of it. All right, the next thing is this from Zoeva. This is the caramel palette. I already got this, I believe, in a BoxyCharm. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. Depending what is in here, I might have a giveaway in this video as well. I've said it in every video. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me, but I am moving. I need to be out of here by the end of the month. So I don't want to take makeup with me that I don't need or won't use. So that's why I'm having so many giveaways as well. All right, so let's see. This is full size, of course. It's $28. And that they are the colors right there. I don't want to open it up, and I can't even tell you where mine is, if it's packed or not. All right, so we have that. Then we have from Goldfaden MD. This is a Brightening Elixir. So it's a serum, and I never knock skincare. But then sometimes we get so much skincare, it's like, how much can one person use? And this puppy, this brand is expensive. That I know. So there we go. It's very small, even though you don't need that. Let me turn you down. Even though you don't need that much for serums, but it's a little small. All right, let's see where you be. How much are you? So this is full size, and this is $80. I think in my BoxyCharm, I don't know if it was the Boxy Luxe or not, I got this, and it was like a mess with vitamins and something. And I was shocked. That was like $48. All right, so we have that. But that's why I like subscription boxes, because you're not really paying that price. All right, the next thing is this space case. And I think this was like I used my points. Yeah, I did. This has, let me see, let me show you real quick. Because I'm going to put this, I think I'll have a giveaway in this video as well. So I will show you really quickly. Because I usually use my points, and I use that for giveaway things. So let me just show you really quick. So it has a nice mirror, and I'm going to be very careful. Oh, this is all shimmers right here. So that's what it looks like. So let me put that. It didn't have like one of those plastic things in it. All right, the next thing is, it looks like sheet masks. And I tell them all the time, do not send me any more sheet masks, but they still do. I think it's a pack of 3. Usually you get a pack of 3, yeah. And this is $7.50 for all 3. So that's not bad. So one looks like it's a hydrating, anti-aging, and a deep clean one. All right, so we got that. This is the bag for this month. So it's a corduroy, and I don't know, I don't really care for it. I like the colors, but I think, and it's not because it's corduroy, I think it's just the design that I don't like. So on here it says Ipsy. I don't know. It's a little stiff, the thing, so I don't know, but it's free. It comes with the subscription. All right, the next thing is from Julep. And this is a concealer in the shade Ivory, and this is full size, and it retails for $16. And I'm always looking for like a really good concealer, so I enjoy getting concealers. Oh, the packaging is pretty. This reminds me of like the Urban Decay foundation. Okay, so it has like a little sponge. I don't want to swatch it or anything. It's a very light color, and I like that because I use this to kind of like brighten up my eyes a little bit. So I'm really excited to get this actually. The next thing is this brush. It's a Huda brush. I mean, this is beautiful, isn't it? But I have one of these already. So I'm going to put it in today's giveaway. And let's see how much that puppy is. $19.99. It's a Neon Angle Contour Blush Brush from Royal and Nickel. It's a Huda brush. All right, a few more. I love these. I love getting like perfumes and like smelly good lotions and stuff. So this is from Kenzie. And of course, this is a sample size. Let's see how much. So it doesn't say when it's a sample size the price, but let's see the scent. So it has a little safety seal, if you can see. Oh, that smells good. I like it. It smells perfumey, but I like it. All right, I'm excited for that. All right, so these right here, these are Pixie eyeliners. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I have both of these. I had got these before. One's like a bronze and one is a black. And they are $24 for both of them together, so $12 a piece. All right, so then we have from Deuce. This is a Free Matic blush. I love Deuce's makeup. Actually, the eyeliner that I'm wearing is this really pretty blue color, and it's like one of my favorite eyeliners, and it's from this company. This is a French brand. Okay, so it has like a magnet. I was going to say magnifying, like here, and it's, come on, it's like a peachy pinky color. It's really pretty. That is really gorgeous. I just love Deuce. Deuce is very expensive. Like, I mean, that's just one swatch. All right, let's see how much this is. I don't think it's full size. No, so it's not going to give me a price. All right, 3 more things. All right, so then we have this puppy. This is a collagen and elastin mask from Georgette Klinger. And it's a deluxe size, but it says the full size would be $32. And I'm looking here, it does tell me this right here, the full size would be $14. And then the Kenzie here would be $18 if it was full size. All right, so it is a mask. And what else we got? So this is a lipstick in the shade Smoking on Screen from Bella and Argent, if I'm saying it right. And this is full size, and it retails for $26. I have tried this before, this brand, and I do enjoy their lipsticks, and the packaging is so pretty. And I'm not usually keeping lipsticks when I get them in subscription boxes, but I will keep this because I love the packaging. Ooh, and that's so pretty. Like, that's a nice fall. Yeah, it's like a berry shade. Look at that. And it's just so creamy and satiny. And it's magnifying. Why do I want to say, yeah, magnifying. Look at that. Oh, that's so refreshing. All right, so we have that. And last but not least is a lip balm. I hate when they do like 2 lip products or, you know, something like that. And so this says Deep Color Lip Balm in the shade Poppy. This is full size from the brand La Mousse. And this is $28. And there's that. And this feels like pretty solid. It feels good. Why can't I get this open? Oh, that was hard to do. All right, and this is almost kind of like the same shade, but this is a lip balm. So let's see. Yeah, it's very, like just a tinted, but it's very pretty. I'm definitely excited to use this. I love lip balm. And is this magnet? No, but you can probably hear this. Why? What am I doing wrong? Oh, because it's a twist. You don't just pull it off. All right, so let's recap everything that I received in my Ipsy Ultimate for the month of September. So I have a lip balm, which I am excited about that. I think I'm most excited for the concealer. I'm still looking for my like Holy Grail concealer. If you know any good ones that's not really drying, let me know down below. So then we have these sheet masks. We have the Huda primer, and this is my choice item. We have a serum, which I'm happy to get. I enjoy getting these like really good smelling lotions, or if we get like perfumes. I have another lipstick from this company. It's so pretty. I have from Deuce Cosmetics this blush. It's really pretty too. It's like a peachy pink. And what else? I think everything else I'm giving away. And then I have this mask. All right, so these are the things that I'm giving away. I'm going to give you this. Like, I'll put everything inside of here. And so you will be getting the brush, 2 of these eyeliners, the Space Key, like the shimmer eyeshadows, the Zoeva eyeshadow palette, and then I'll put a few more things in to kind of like fill this up, you know, so it'll be kind of like a mystery. So the only thing that you have to do to enter is what I do in every single one of my giveaways. You have to be subscribed because I enjoy giving back to those who support me. You have to like this video because it really does help me out, and it only takes a second to do. And you have to leave a comment because I do a comment picker. So let me think of a word. Put the word serum in the description down below, and that way when I choose a winner, like a comment picker, I will put that word in there. And you know, don't make it look obvious. That way if people just go right to the comments, then they'll see what the word is. If you just put serum, enter me. You know what I mean? So that way it's fair for everybody that, you know, like watches the video. And I want to get this out and mail it by the end of the month. So I'm going to have this up to the 29th. That way I can mail it on the 30th, and I don't have to take it with me when I do move. I am moving. I don't know if I said that because I say it in so many videos. Yeah, so that is everything that you have to do. So if you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. Please like this video. It really helps me out. And make sure you have your post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future giveaways. No, well, that too, giveaways, but my future videos. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. That's a pretty good box. I'm really happy with my boxes this month.